Imagine if one sentence could unlock the full potential of AI. Just one line that transforms your experience from average to absolutely mind-blowing. The truth is, most people are using AI wrong. Not because they're not smart, but because they don't know how to ask the right question. Today, I'm going to give you the one prompt that will change the way you use AI forever. But before we get there, let's understand why it works. Most people treat AI like a vending machine. You put in a short request, like write a poem or give me dinner ideas, and hope it gives something good. But AI is not a vending machine. It's more like a super intelligent assistant that can take on almost any role, as long as you guide it. That's the key. The prompt I'm about to share gives AI the clarity and context it needs to go from average to exceptional. Here it is, the prompt. Act as a world-class expert in insert field. I need you to insert your goal in a way that is insert tone or style. Provide clear, actionable output with examples. That's it. Simple, but insanely powerful. Let me show you how it works in real life. Let's say you're trying to write a business pitch. Instead of just saying, write me a business pitch, you say, write me a business pitch. You say, act as a world-class startup mentor. I need you to write a compelling pitch for my AI skincare app in a persuasive investor-ready tone. Provide clear, actionable output with real-world analogies. Now compare the results. The first gives you something generic. The second gives you something with expertise, tone, and structure that feels tailor-made. It feels like someone who's done this 100 times is now helping you. Let's try another example. You want to lose weight, but you're tired of boring advice. You say, act as a certified fitness coach and nutritionist. I need you to create a 4-week fat loss plan for a busy professional who can't cook often. Make it realistic, budget-friendly, and slightly humorous to keep you motivated. Suddenly, your AI isn't just a search engine. It's a personal coach. It knows your lifestyle, your challenges, and even your need for humor. Let's take it into creativity. Suppose you want to write a novel. Most people say, help me write a novel. But what if you said, act as a best-selling fiction editor? I need you to outline a psychological thriller set in a dystopian version of Delhi. The tone should be dark, lyrical, and emotionally intense. Include chapter titles and a one-line hook for each. Can you feel the difference? This prompt works like a magic key because it gives AI 4 essential things. First, a role. When you assign the AI a persona, world-class expert, coach, editor, marketer, it adopts a voice, perspective, and depth that fits the role. Second, a clear goal. What exactly do you want? A script, a meal plan, an idea list? Be crystal clear. Third, style or tone. This changes everything. You want funny, poetic, formal, Gen Z, casual, cinematic? Give the AI a mood to match. Fourth, a format or structure. Tell it to use bullet points, examples, a framework, or even emojis, whatever makes sense for you. This formula can be used in any area: business, fitness, writing, education, mental health, productivity, and even relationships. Here's a cool one. Act as a therapist trained in cognitive behavioral therapy. I need you to help me reframe negative thoughts about failure in a gentle, encouraging tone. Include journal prompts I can use every day. Imagine that. Free therapy, instantly. Or for students. Act as a top-ranked professor of physics. I need you to explain the theory of relativity to a 15-year-old student using metaphors from pop culture. Keep it fun and easy to understand. For coders, act as a senior software engineer. I need you to help me debug this Python code and explain where I went wrong in a mentor-like tone. You're not just prompting anymore. You're collaborating. You're building a relationship with your AI where it knows who to be, what to do, and how to talk to you. And the more you use this prompt, the more powerful your results become. Because AI learns from your feedback. When you say, make it shorter, or use simpler language, add more emotion, it adapts. You are training your perfect assistant every time you refine your prompt. Think of this prompt as your foundation. You can always tweak it. Add constraints, add creativity, stack prompts, but always begin with intention. Who do I want AI to be? What do I want from it? How do I want it to speak? And what kind of output will help me the most? You are the director. AI is the actor. A vague script gives you a flat performance. A powerful prompt. That creates magic. So, try this tonight. Open up your AI tool. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you use, and copy this structure. Act as a world-class expert in field. I need you to goal in a way that is tone or style. Provide clear, actionable output with examples. Fill in the blanks with your needs. And then watch the transformation. This one prompt will change how you write, work, learn, build, and even think. Because in the world of AI, the quality of your question shapes the power of your answer. The future belongs to great askers. And now, you're one of them.